your journals are, for the most part, completed. Because part of the issue with Friday's quiz was, remember, the quiz, a lot of the pictures were taken directly from your journal entries. Sorry, that's trying to let me know I'm talking to you.
I don't have one.
Because if you do not, it means you did not do enough of the journals. Okay? If it was in there, it would have been in there. I think with yours, the difficulty was that you did not date yours.
I didn't date mine.
Yeah, but I could tell by the answer.
Yeah, but I did.
Okay, I'll wait again. It's part of the reflection process.
What do you mean?
Okay. Because the quiz on Friday was based on last week's journal entries. And so I had an aha moment, sorry. I was reflecting, because I like to reflect and see what I did wrong or what we did wrong. And I pulled the journals out on Friday and I looked at them, and some of you are not writing down your entries. And I spent time looking through it, okay? And so I decided I have to buy Oreo cookies for my fifth graders anyhow, because they're doing a moon-based lab. So I decided to do a cookie. I think Mila got 2 because she had a lot of journal entries. Very nice. Okay?
What do you mean you were done with it?
Okay, Libby?
Did you have the date and the answer valid? So, I have a question. You said, for our test, a lot of people got the same exact, did you check the test?
Okay.
See what they got?
Okay, I talked to another teacher about it.
I have everything.
What we decided, I didn't feel like the content was too hard because I put it based on the, like I said, the journal entries. She thought the way I presented it was wrong. For example, you would have a statement and then you would have to pick up to 3 answers. And she said that would be too confusing, you wouldn't be used to it. So I think that was the issue.
Yeah, because our teachers basically have us do one answer, not like
Right.
or 2.
Or like all of the above.
Yeah, maybe all of the above, yeah.
Yeah, maybe that would have been, you know, I'm always on your side. I apologize for yelling on Friday. I always get stressed when you guys are out of your seat, and then we were doing a quiz, and I was worried that people were talking to each other about the quiz. So that got me really stressed out. That's not an excuse, but I'm trying to address it. Somebody else gave me a tip on how to deal with that, okay? A couple different ideas. But there's a few things we can do. We can retake it, open note, we can drop it. I was thinking, in all fairness, for the people that did do well, that I should just make it extra credit. Now, I'm not sure how to make it extra credit in Schoology. I can ask some other people, other teachers, and then, then if that's not possible, what I'll do is, like, if Mila got a 12, I'll take it and add it to one of her assignments. Okay, because if it's a 50-point assignment and she gets 62, that's automatically extra credit. Okay? Yes, what was your question, Sophie?
Okay, so I don't really understand what you mean by like for the journals. What do you mean? Like, why did some people?
Okay, I was looking for like the 8th and the 9th, the 10th and 11th. And the 12th was Friday, so there wouldn't have been a journal entry.
She's saying so if you like wrote down the date.
Yeah, there was a journal on the 11th. It seems like a lot of people didn't do it. Mila, did you get the one on the 11th?
I think that was the one that you said that we didn't have to do. Which one?
Oh.
Yeah, there was one.
Is that what it was, Mila?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so,
Sophie, if you think I'm wrong, you can leave your journal on the desk and I'll look at it before I leave. Yes?
So I wasn't here on Friday, so I didn't get to take the test.
Right, so you can take it if you want, and then it'll be counted as extra credit, okay? Whatever you get, if you get a 10, if you get a 5, it'll all be counted as extra
Wait,
credit.
what is it on?
I'm sorry, what?
What is it on?
It was supposed to be on the skeleton, and
The internal and external stuff.
Yeah, looking at the x-rays.
So can I take it right now?
Okay.
What's the noise?
I'm not sure. I'm sorry. You know what? A teacher told me that there's this app. Sorry, I'm trying to learn. Okay, this app where if I turn it on, it tells me when I'm talking too loud. So it beeps when I'm too loud. So I don't know if I need to change it to number 4.
No, I think that this is a very good tone.
Okay.
And I
thank you.
feel like the students need their voices modulated too.
Okay.
I also feel like there's too much yelling out and not raising your hand.
Can you show us like?
You just did exactly what I just said.
Okay.
Please, Ms. Mueller, do not respond to children who do not raise their hands.
Okay, thank you. Yoni, you have a question?
So about the journal, so I don't understand why because if you see I have 11.8, I have 11.9, and I have 11.10,
okay.
and also
I don't want to deal with that right now, but I will write you and Sophie down, and I will figure it out. I work lunch today, so worst case scenario, I can give it to you during lunch. Nathan?
So for that thing, I just like wrote down like the bones that I see, like the ribs right there, and like that's what I.
Yes, you're right.
Is that
That's all I want is, but the names are pretty similar. Sometimes they merge the words. I can't remember off the top, but you know, like this one is probably a flange, right?
Yeah, I said that like phalange, then there's the tarsals, femur.
there's
Right.
the vertical column.
Yeah,
Scapula.
what's this one?
Just scapula.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. I just want to address one more question. Livy and Daphne, I know you've been having difficulty with quizzes, even though you seek Leslie's assistance, and I will figure out that. I will make sure that it's more clear with her and maybe give her more detailed answers, okay? Like I said, I'll probably just add it as extra credit for you. Asher, you have a question? Say it again. Oh, I can't hear you because you're not.
Can I come in during recess on Tuesday?
Yes, you can. Yeah, I apologize also, I've been working with my 5th graders getting missing work. I'll try to let you know if there's anything that you're missing that you need to address. Yes?
I have a question on the last question so I think me and Sophie and I got the same answer twice on the test, and also I think Sophie got the same answer last week, or someone, I can't remember who right now, but someone also got the same exact answer, and it was like 8.75 or something. It was very specific, and I got the same answer twice, and I changed my answers around, so like, I don't understand how I got, and it was like one of them was like a 3 answer one that I thought I got wrong, so then I changed it to like another one, and I changed it around a little bit, and I still got like the same exact one.
I'm a very visual person. I'll see if I can print it or pull up the individual quiz to look at it a little bit more. So, I wanna go on so we can do the lab, yes.
Does it tell you which ones we got wrong? Cause sometimes I take this quiz and then I get on the second try, I get an even worse grade. But
It does tell me which ones you get wrong, but you always get the higher grade. It doesn't matter if you score lower the second time, you always get the higher grade. Yoni?
So to address Daphne and Livy's problem, so Livy, you said that the answers are the same. That's probably because either you switch them around and you switch the right one to the wrong one and the wrong one to the right one. Either that would pretty much cancel out, or you got a worse grade and it just takes the better one. So those are probably.
Yeah, I don't know. I know people in other classes did well, so I don't completely understand why. Because remember, Daniel Kasabi came in and helped me figure out that I needed to give you partial credit. So if there were 3 answers on a question and you only answered 2, initially it was counting the whole question wrong. But then after he helped me figure it out, if you got 2 out of 3 answers, and you got the 2 points versus 3. We gotta move on, but yes, I think that Don had his hand up first.
After each test, we can't we have sometimes he gives a lot of attempts, 3 attempts, 4 attempts, and then after on our last attempt, we don't get to see what we did wrong. Can you like when we do Mr. Rodriguez's test, we do the same thing, but once we finish, we see what we got wrong. So maybe can you try to fix that? But if it doesn't work, can you one time after every test, the day on Mondays, go over the test and see what was right and what was wrong?
Okay, which teacher
I
did
think
you
I might
say?
know it.
Mr. Rodriguez.
Oh, Rodriguez?
He's the one, yeah.
I don't like these.
I like teacher.
Oh, Marco.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, I wrote that down. Okay, so we'll just count it as extra credit. I don't wanna spend too much more time on it. Yes?
It's basically, my situation was kind of like Libby's, but basically, I just changed on one question, and the one question that I changed only had 2 answers that I could pick through, and I picked the other one, and it still gave me the same.
Then maybe you
Right.
got that one wrong, but then it gave you the better one.
I don't know. Aiden? Yes?
Because you
Oh, no, because you have the readers on the Okay, so, and then, Helms suggested a different grading format that that you guys have a problem understanding, 8 out of 10 means a B. She said that I should do every question worth 10, so it equals 100, that you grasp that idea more than 8 out of 10. So, but I can't do that right now, I need to do it second trimester. Okay, last question because we gotta go on.
When can I come in here to take the test?
Normally during recess
Can I come?
or PE or your study hall.
Do you have can I come in here for recess today? Or no?
I work Monday and Friday recess, so, and I would imagine you don't have your computer then. Okay, so, like Nathan said, a lot of these things are the same. This is the humerus, right? It looks like the radius and the ulna are fused, correct?
That's what I was thinking. I was like, I can't see both of the bones, so I'm just gonna not put that.
Yeah.
But
Sometimes they merge the word as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Poor guy doesn't have a thumb. Alright? Or gal.
he doesn't have an opposable thumb.
It's a frog.
Raising your hand, does anybody remember the way we distinguish the vertebrae? Mila?
L1.
Oh, I know this.
L1, L2.
Thoracic. Oh, right.
Yeah.
Thoracic vertebrae, cervical vertebrae, lumbar vertebrae, and
Caudal, yeah. Okay, cervical is the neck. It looks like he has one neck. Unless this is considered neck. And then this would be thoracic, right? Because that would be the ribs. And then, I don't know, is that a caudal vertebrae? I don't know.
I think they have a caudal vertebrae because
Yeah.
I can tell.
Okay?
I just put vertebral column.
Right.
Does it have a pelvis?
Well, kind of.
This might be part of the pelvis. I don't know. I'd have to look it up.
That's a
I was-
long pelvis.
And I was trying to look up the solution. I guess forgotten to do the solution when I did it last week. And I realized that when I was looking for the solution, that there are a lot of ones that had really scientific words, and I didn't want you to have the scientific words. I wanted you to use more common words. Okay? So, okay, again, before we begin, I want to apologize for yelling on Friday. I realized my quiz was confusing. How many of you really studied for the quiz? Okay, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And how many of you honestly complete your bell ringers? That was the whole thing with the cookie thing, okay? So, oh, I did find one, okay.
I knew it was wrong.
Okay, so phalange, metacarpal, carpal. Oh, they call it sacral. So maybe they must have fused the sacrum, which is part of the pelvis, into
There
this.
for a second.
Here's our scapula, cervical vertebrae, and so it is one cervical vertebrae.
Could you keep it?
Look at the word, Nathan, radio ulna.
I saw that, yeah.
Like one word.
Yeah.
Bottom. Tibio, fibula.
It's pointing at the. Oh wait.
At first, when I was looking at them, I was thinking this was tibia and
Yeah.
fibula. Is that what you were thinking?
Yeah.
But
But
you have to-
that's the tarsals.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn, that's what I was thinking.
Oh, and this is a funny looking pelvic bone. Daphne?
Do you have to write all of them down? Or just the ones you saw, like at the beginning?
Yeah, just what, and I'll, you don't have to put them on, just do a couple.
Wait, can you just keep it there for a little bit?
Yeah. Just a couple of them, you know, and obviously we don't use the word skull, we use cranium. So. Yes,
I think the thing that we got was the tibia and fibula. I think that's the tarsals.
Yeah.
this is the tarsals, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I was pointing wrong. I was thinking that was tibia and fibula,
Same.
but it isn't, it's the tarsals. I had a frog once, he was in an aquarium, he could stretch his legs all the way up to where he could reach the top of the
I
aquarium.
also had a frog. I had 2 frogs.
Don't forget to raise your hand, please. Yes,
I also had one.
what kind of frog do you have?
I think it was like something with like African in it, maybe?
Is he a big guy?
Oh no, I used to. It was like tiny.
Oh.
It was small.
Was he red and black?
No, it was green. But I got it from the toy store.
Toy store?
A real frog. though,
A
too.
real frog from the toy store?
Yeah.
Okay, that gives a wrong message to kids, I think. Okay, are we ready to go on?
Yes.
You don't have to put them all on,
I
just to kind of get an idea, because I'm trying to kind of bring you into where we're gonna do the owl pelt lab. So, how many, raise your hand, how many of you done the owl pellet before?
We did it in second
Yeah, we
grade.
did it.
Third grade.
Yeah, and like 4th grade or something?
No, I think we did like second or third.
We did.
Oh, okay.
Because we didn't have.
Okay.
Oh, then third.
So, you'll be in groups.
Or we didn't today.
I wanna help you get started, and Libby and Daphne, I think will be in, and Aiden if he wants to be there, will be in a group so I can get you started. There's not enough pellets for you to work individually, but you would basically, can you pass these out, please? Did you use tweezers before?
I don't remember. It was a long time.
Oh, okay.
I think so.
Okay, so here's tweezers,
Oh, I remember
and
this.
something that kinda looks like a toothpick, a modified toothpick. Okay,
There's not enough.
There's not enough.
There are 4.
oh,
I
I'm
don't
sorry,
think
there's more over there,
there's
are you
one
grabbing
of
it? Let me remind you that everybody turns in a worksheet, even if you're in a group.
I didn't get a worksheet.
Okay. Yeah, he's getting one.
Not everyone.
Don't forget, these have been sterilized. You can break it apart and gently, you're gonna find the bone, separate the bones. Ooh, oh, that's so good. It was, oh, this one's easy. Okay, this one, see if you know what it is.
The femur.
With us pairing up, there'll be extras, so if we have to, we can open up the extras. I don't know.
Let me see.
You think you can tell what that is?
What?
Oh, I need to get hand lenses out too.
Wait, can I see? Put it on your palm of your hand. It looks like
Is it a foot?
I think it looks like a scapula.
Oh, yeah, it could be a scapula.
So, if you notice, remember, it's been sanitized. There's posters on the wall that you can compare the bone to. Let's see. That piece looks a piece. Oh, here, definitely. Okay, Nathan, come here. Never mind.
Ooh, yeah, that could, I would say that's like either foot or like a
No?
scapula, yeah.
It
Yeah.
looks like
It's a scapula.
Yeah, because if you flip it over here, it would look like you were going back.
It goes right here,
Does
okay?
it look like this?
So you're gonna have to do it very gently.
What's why is it thinking?
Hey, what animal is it?
have to be a dog.
Oh, by the way, let me see, this is this.
It's an owl and you're looking at that different.
Oh.
What is it? Craniums.
Yeah, so,
So,
and then you're gonna glue them down onto a piece of paper and identify them.
Wait, what is an owl pellet though?
An owl,
Guys, stop.
thank you, the owl pellet is when the owl regurgitates what it cannot digest, which is bones and fur,
Barfs it up.
but, no, it vomits.
Regurgitate means vomit.
But it's sanitized, so it's nothing you need to worry
But
about,
how come there's bones in
Because
because they can't
because
digest
they
them.
eat something and they can't digest it, so they go.
I thought they throw up their own bones.
No. Okay, we understand?
Yes.
You can glue the bones on the white piece of paper like a roadkill where they're squashed, kinda like the frog.
Do we have to pick our partners or are you? Can
Um,
we do the randomized thing?
ooh,
Random
that
name
one.
select though? Oh, that's probably to be in the video. Or no, that's a radius and only.
Yeah.
Radius and only.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely a radius and only.
I think it's kidding.
It's radius and all now.
You know what you'll do? You know what you should be doing? When you are looking at your bones, you're gonna go up and like Haley said, maybe put it in your palm and look at the big posters and it should be able to show you which one you think it is. Okay? Adon.
on this sheet, it says the number of skulls. So does that mean some animals have more than one skull?
No, it means how many different animals you found in it, in other words.
Got it.
So can you do the different bones or does it have to be in a skull?
Wait, so you're gonna give us like
Does it have to be on
wait, so like in that owl pellet we will find how many bull skulls there are.
Yeah.
Wait, are we doing it at the
Asher, can you hand out the trays?
Like that?
Can you hand these out? I guess, I haven't figured out groups. Who were you guys looking for?
Can we pick our own partner?
Yeah.
What are the groups? How many people in a group?
Two. And remember, everybody completes their own worksheet.
Okay, but can we pick our partners?
That's not really recommended.
Okay, we can do the randomized partner pick.
Or do you want to do the turkey thing? Do you want to do the turkey thing?
Oh, we was not here.
No, because
I don't
What's
have,
the turkey
I
thing?
need a little bit more.
What's turkey?
Like this.
How about a little
Oh
more?
yeah, the turkey thing.
That's what did it.
She's trying to say.
What? I don't know the turkey thing.
Do this and then.
Okay, why don't we do the thing where you stand up and walk around and then I'll stop
Yeah,
you.
yeah, the turkey.
Okay?
Oh my, the gobble.
I don't know how to do this.
Just walk around and pull your mask up, please. Okay? Don't plan it too much.
No, they're gonna plan it.
I know, I think so. You can tell because they're kind of following each other.
You're following me. No, like you really.
All right, if you're a girl, create the turkey tail.
This is a wait. This
And if you're the boy, you're gonna be the turkey head, right?
I've never heard of that.
You got it?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay, go, circulate.
Gobble,
Gobble, gobble, gobble, gobble. Hands up, please. Gobble, 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 and turkey. There, I see a turkey right there.
Oh.
Mila and Anton are a turkey. You're a turkey. Look, can you see the turkey?
Oh. Okay, so the two of you work together.
Oh,
Mila and
okay, if
Anton.
you've got your partner, go sit down. The rest of you are gonna circulate. Let's go. Gobble, 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 go. You're gonna have to find a partner and turkey. Nathan and you two.
Yeah.
You two.
Handouts over there that'll help you.
You two. And you two. You're with Isaac, baby. And then Yoni and Aiden.
Okay.
Take your time.
No.
Yeah, so will I.
What is this? You have enough for everybody.
Nathan, can we sit here?
Okay.
Aiden, over here.
Well, I gave them all out. I mean, I guess you can. Okay.
Oh my god, a bone just fell out.
Okay, so step one.
Oh, I think I got a mouse. A bone fell out. Wait, hold on. I got something. Oh, I found a bone. I found a bone. Wow, I'm finding a lot of bones.
So much for
Look at my bone. Like, what type of bird? Look. One is so fat. I found a feather. Look, I found a feather.
Oh my god.
Look how big of a bone I found. How do we know that? Oh, Mila, I found two. Mila, I found two bones. Oh my god. We're beasts at this. No, Mila, no, this bone is. I'm really, this is really fun. I really like this. What's this? Miss McGinnis, look at my bone. It's huge.
Oh, that's awesome.
I think I found a big bone. Oh, I found a scapula. A scapula, I think.
I have large tweezers if you need it.
That's a, that might be a skull. No, it doesn't look like a, and it's breaking too easily. Oh. Ew, this is kind of disgusting. I feel like throwing up. Ew. Whoa! I found a skull. I told you. I think I got a skull too. I think I got a skull. What's this for though?
Wait, you
I'll leave it here. Oh my god, I got two parts again. This might be like a tibia and
Oh
fibula.
my god, we got a skull.
Aton got one too. I got another. I got this.
They all got
What's this?
Oh my god, there's a broken bone in this.
What we can do is we don't have enough bones.
It is a skull. You're holding a
Oh,
skull.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
That's only
I found another feather.
Why are you guys so scared to touch it?
That's another feather.
Nathan.
I'm like ripping it apart with my hand. I think I found another mini skull. Another skull? Oh, I broke it. I had like a weird bone with like 2 parts.
See it? There's one sticking out.
That's a skull.
These are tweezers.
No, I got this.
No, that's not tweezers. Tweezers, you need some of them.
Oh my god, Adrian, look.
I got another bone.
They're so small.
Look at that.
Yeah, if you want to use the tweezers, you need to pull the little
I found
pieces
a bone.
off.
I found a
It's
skull.
more gentle
Yeah.
than
Nathan, look at this
using
skull.
your finger.
I think I got Nathan, I'm finding it better.
We're gonna dissect.
Ew, look at my skull.
Is it a skull or a cranium?
My skull seems I broke it by accident. Oh yeah, I keep breaking the bones because they're so easy. Ew. Oh, Aton. There's. I think I found another skull. A bunch of feathers. I don't know. I keep finding
Looks
feathers.
like you killed a bird.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, I broke something. Oh my god,
Oh, that looks
Finding
Yours
nice.
is definitely a bird. This looks like a beak.
yeah. That's fur. I don't know what that is.
What is this? You need to-
Oh, I haven't broken that one up yet.
Yo, what is that? Yo, what is that?
Is this a skull?
Wow, yes. So what you need to do is
Look, it's
go.
so big. I don't
No,
know.
I'm not see your pelvis because look, doesn't that look like part of the vertebrae?
I can't find a skull. What do I have? I have a huge thing.
What's this? I think you break. Would you cook turkey on Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
What do you break on Thanksgiving?
Legs.
The
Legs.
you don't do the wishbone?
Oh, you do. So I have a turkey.
No, you just have this as like.
Oh my god.
What is this?
Oh, that's a cranium.
Oh my god, I can see the face. Ew.
Or
Can I keep? Oh, I broke the bone. Miss Mila. Look, you can see the eyes.
Oh, I thought you were
Mila.
you guys.
Why are you guys scared of that?
Don't be.
This is cool.
I think you scored. You got the best color.
Look at mine.
Oh yeah.
Yo, we got a cranium.
Same.
Oh, they got dogs.
Oh, I found a tooth. A tooth? I found this, which is the bones, and it's
Miss
tiny.
Mueller,
How is there like a crack?
this owl broke the skull.
This owl broke. It feels like when you look
Oh really?
Shoot, there was a bone.
it looks like a tiny foot piece of this skull.
I haven't broken any bones yet. I don't think. Oh, this is
Oh,
the
okay.
one that I
So did you match it up with the picture that's on the wall?
I'm gonna break it. Look, beginners.
Mine has a bee. Aton, look. Ew, that's a skull.
We found some pieces.
That could be it.
I keep having feathers.
I'm scared.
What? How do you get? What is that?
Can you imagine being an archaeologist?
Why are you guys so scared?
Something and I'm sorry.
He got a hole too.
Pictures.
I'm not the teacher. I'm not the teacher.
Take your bones here.
No, I found a hairy head. Yes.
Yeah.
I don't get how this is not cool.
I did some of them too because I have extra.
Yeah, same.
No, I might have extra tomorrow after I give them. Is yours not good?
Found a penguin.
Okay, so what you need to do, how much time do we have? What time do we have?
Broken.
We get out at 9:53.
No, we have council today.
We have a lot of them.
Spine. You found a spine.
Why don't you start identifying
Owl vomit. This is owl vomit.
I know.
Okay, start comparing to the wall. Do you want glue to glue them on?
Oh, there's something here. Oh, there's something here. Mine's so fun.
Get out.
Is this a cranium, Miss Mueller?
I think this is the skull.
Yeah, it's probably the skull.
Dad.
But it's really hard. It seriously looks I'm gonna go check on the poster and see if it shows me. But I have to clean out the eyes first because it looks better like that.
No, that's part of it. Oh, that's a cranium. You can see the teeth sticking out, the yellow teeth.
Look! My stomach's now. Look at her.
The eyes are broken. They ate the eyes.
Adorable. Which bone is that?